So you're not just eating ribeye, you've added liver, heart, and maybe even some cheese or yogurt. That's fantastic, but does that cover everything? Not quite. This is the second video in my Carnivore Nutrient Mastery series. In the first one, we talked about the 7 nutrients most often missed on carnivore. Today, let's see what nutrients may still be missing even when you've added organs and dairy, and how to close those last few gaps. In the next video, I'll reveal the simple formula for making carnivore nutrient complete. So magnesium. Even with organs and dairy added to your carnivore diet, magnesium usually stays low. If you're still experiencing, and I found this to be true. If you're low, you'll still have some cramping, twitching, poor sleep, or constipation. The fix we have to turn to the sea is shellfish like mussels, oysters, and crab, or a magnesium supplement. So I try to get seafood in, but I find that I have to get electrolytes in, and I still also take a magnesium supplement. Number 2, potassium. Dairy adds some, but not enough to hit the 4,000 plus milligrams needed daily. So if you're low, you'll experience weakness, palpitations, or fatigue, or a combination of all three. So what do I mean by weakness? You'll notice like when you're going up the steps, like, ooh, it seems like it takes extra effort and you feel it in your legs. And you do not want to mess around. If you're getting palpitations, that's a warning sign that you're not getting your electrolytes in. Here's the fix. Again, salmon, sardines, clam, or potassium-rich bone broth. Number 3, manganese. Even adding organs and dairy, it's still nearly absent. If you're low, you'll experience joint stiffness, weak tendons, and poor healing. The fix, again, shellfish, especially mussels and clams. Number 4, vitamin D. Liver and cheese gives tiny amounts, but not enough. So if you're low, you'll have a low mood, poor immunity, and fatigue. And here's the fix. Number 1, sunlight. You have to get that sunlight in every day. It's the easiest way. It does so many things besides vitamin D, sets your circadian. Then again, salmon, sardines, and cod livers. Number 5, omega-3s. Ruminant fat and dairy won't cover omega-3 needs. And if you're low, you'll have brain fog, dry skin, stiff or inflamed joints. So the fix are fatty fishes like salmon, mackerel, sardines, or you can add cod liver. Number 6, iodine. Eggs and dairy, believe it or not, sometimes provide iodine, but it depends on the animal's feed because sometimes it has iodine in it. Seafood is the most reliable source. So if you're low, your thyroid will be sluggish, you'll feel fatigued, and you'll have this feeling of cold. I have to say I experienced that on keto as well. And so I have to make an extra effort to eat iodine-rich foods. So yes, organs and dairy get you most of the way there, but the final step is the seafood. Adding fatty fish or shellfish once or twice a week helps to fill the gaps for magnesium, potassium, manganese, vitamin D, omega-3s, and iodine. So we have to start incorporating it. Think of it like building a house. Meat is the foundation, the organs are the support beams, dairy is the insulation, and the seafood is the roof that makes the structure complete. Carnivore done right isn't about restriction, it's about using the full power of animal foods. So tell me, what's your go-to? Liver, sardines, cheese? Drop it in the comments. Give us some ideas. And don't miss the last video in the series, the Carnivore Nutrient Mastery Formula. I'll see you in the next video. This is Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor.